Hello, my name is Dr. Philip Horitzko, and I'm a pharmacist and Associate Dean for Admissions and Student Affairs and Associate Clinical Professor at the UConn School of Pharmacy. I would like to take a moment to describe an exciting session that my colleagues, Drs. Andrea Hubbard, Robin Bogner, Joe Fitzgerald, and I will be offering this summer, where we will explore the field of pharmacy and the many opportunities in this exciting healthcare area. The core of this program will take place at the UConn School of Pharmacy, but we will have field trips as part of this experience where we will visit a hospital pharmacy and speak with pharmacists and other healthcare professionals to expand your knowledge and understanding of the many complex activities of a pharmacist. With me today to help me describe this educational and fun session is one of our UConn School of Pharmacy students.
Hi, my name is Siley Oak, and I'm a pharmacy student and School of Pharmacy Ambassador here at the UConn School of Pharmacy. As a member of our school's ambassadors, I will work side by side with you and our faculty during this session to help you explore the field of pharmacy. We will be there to answer your questions regarding our own journeys into pharmacy and discuss how you can prepare for entering this field. Pharmacy is an exciting career choice that combines science, healthcare, computer technology, business, math, and counseling. A career in pharmacy offers a rare balance of independence and interaction with patients, which can be very appealing if you're a people person.
You may be asking yourself, why pharmacy? Because pharmacists are essential healthcare professionals who enhance patient care and promote wellness. They also play an important role in helping people get the best results from their medications.
So come prepared to learn about these fascinating topics in pharmacy and medicine, which will help prepare you for a future career in healthcare.